Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled egg biryani. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including fresh eggs, fragrant basmati rice, and a selection of vibrant spices. Next, we'll prepare the rice, ensuring it's perfectly cooked but still firm. Then, we'll gently scramble the eggs, keeping them soft and moist for the biryani. This unique dish offers a delightful twist on a classic. Now, let's build the aromatic foundation for our biryani. Begin by thinly slicing onions and sautéing them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown caramelization. This step is crucial for depth of flavor. Then, incorporate a fresh ginger-garlic paste and a few green chilies for that essential warmth and spice. Finally, add whole spices like cardamom and cloves to infuse the oil. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this unique biryani recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The layering process is key to a truly authentic biryani. Start by spreading half of your perfectly cooked basmati rice as the first layer in a heavy-bottomed pot. Next, gently arrange the scrambled eggs over this rice layer, ensuring even distribution. Finally, cover with the remaining rice, a generous sprinkle of crispy fried onions, and fresh cilantro and mint for fragrance. Now for the magic of dum cooking, which allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Seal your pot tightly, perhaps with a dough seal or a heavy lid to trap all the steam. Cook on a very low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. This gentle heat ensures the rice absorbs all the aromatic spices. After cooking, let it rest for 10 minutes before opening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.